Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Nifty Forecast and my name is Lokesh. So we are looking at Nifty and Bank Nifty intraday chart as always, and I want to ask each one of you to quickly revise what we discussed in the last video. Although there was a significant number of analysts who were talking about bullish, absolutely bullish, and all that, we discussed about some levels that is very crucial for today. That is nothing but we have seen a lot of shorts being added yesterday or the previous session, and we were very clear that Nifty has to trade the average level of the previous trading session today in order to take any fresh move, right? That is what we precisely discussed in the last video, and that just happened. Do you notice? I mean, I hope you all are with me on this. And in case you are visiting my channel for the first time, it is my sincere request to please continue watching our end of the day, end of the market report every day, so that you can understand what I am telling you and you can make the best use of the key inputs that I am giving you every day. All right, it is not that you come all of a sudden one day and comment it in a very foul language, or that doesn't really help anybody, right? Please watch the content every day, and if you think I am missing on something or if I am giving you some falsified information, then please comment only after whatever time frame that I am giving you in the video, right? I mean, it was very clearly mentioned in the previous video that the time frame required is 1 to 3 days, right? And look at what has happened. It is just the next day it has traded here, and now I can tell you there has been a significant change in the positions. Let's look at it, right? So we are looking at Bank Nifty. The change in open interest, it is reduced, and a significant open interest has been lost. So earlier we were discussing about a downtrend and a serious open interest being built up in the downtrend. Now what has happened? That downtrend open interest, whatever has been created, is lost, right? Is it very evident from here? Please give me a like button here if you are liking the content that I am posting, and if you are making any bit of advantage from the content that I am posting every day, right? It is very evident that open interest has been lost, whatever position they have created, right? And what positions they have created we discussed in the previous sessions, right? So we are now looking at the participant wise volumes. This will precisely talk about the intraday activity, what has been done by the major market participants today. So we will focus on DI, FI and Pro, the intraday activity on the index longs. This column talks us only about the index longs, and this column shows us information on the index shorts. So if I sum up, this is the number index longs, and if I sum up index shorts, this is the index shorts. And if I do a quick math subtract, I get to understand that long contracts are significantly higher. By what number? It is 14,327 long contracts are traded more than the short contracts. And now we have to relate it with the chart now. It just doesn't happen without relating it to the chart. The chart shows, market is fallen down, right? Of course it is fallen down, right? It is fallen down, and the numbers here, the intraday activity shows us that longs are built. What does this mean? Do we see this as a area where they have accumulated, right? Yeah, that could potentially be it, right? So that is what I get to understand. I will leave it up to you. And now we are looking at FNO participant OI. I mean, this is the positional OI, right? So this also shows us what has been added today. So earlier it was minus 20,000 odd contracts on the short side. I mean, more contracts on the short side. And now it says only 5,000 or 6,000, close to 6,000 contracts on the short side are more than the long contracts, right? And if we ignore the DII shorts, because they are not the people, I mean, they are not the systems that play very short term role. They will wait for the trigger and then they will book it, right? So we can happily forget about it at the moment. For the short term, I mean, that is 1 to 3 days. Now that we have seen a lot of buying activity in the lower levels, okay, we can definitely look for a quick upside movement. Definitely. What levels? I will leave it up to you. I would request you all to please watch the video that I've posted in the playlist Advanced Trader series. Okay, if you want, I can quickly show it to you. This is my channel, and if you go to the playlist section, you can see advanced how to become a full-time trader. Okay, this is the playlist, and you have about only 3 videos. You can spend only 1 hour time, and trust me, this adds a lot of vision to your trading style. So this will tell you what are the key points that you should consider for entries and when you should exit. But mind you, my channel always targets to get about 1 to 2% over 1 week. Okay, if you are an expert for whatever information that I am giving you, you can definitely make a 1% every day, or at least you will not lose. That is something that I can definitely promise from my channel. I request you all, please stay tuned with the channel, watch the videos continuously, and I'm sure, I bet there is a lot of learning curve from my channel. And remember, I'm not asking you, I'm not trying to sell you any service, I'm not asking you to join my Telegram channel and all that. I'm just sharing a quick knowledge, a different view that I personally follow to take trades. Okay, so please do subscribe to the channel if you are a new visitor, and if you are a returning customer, please share the channel information among your trading friends, and I'm sure everybody will learn from the channel. And in case if you have any suggestions for me, please put it across in the comment box in a very formal, and we can respect each other, right? I mean, it is just simple and it is free of cost. I hope you all are with me. I hope you all are enjoying the content that I am posting and improving your trading style. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, staying back with me until now, and wish you a happy trading session coming days. Keep watching. Thank you. Bye bye.